Time's finally here. This is our Advent wreath, and as you can see, all 4 candles have been lit. One is almost about to start a fire, and that means we are done with Christmas season, and that means we can start celebrating the birth of Jesus and start enjoying the end of any kind of fasting that we might have done throughout the season. And it's a time for celebration. So let's do this. So it's Christmas and I'm putting things together. Little bags and things, little packages together for my girlfriends and my sisters and things. And first thing I want to show you is this Le Petit Four, and it says Paris Bakery in a Box. Paris Bakery in a Box. I'm going to show you this beautiful bread. That's a thing of beauty. So with this, what are we going to pair? We're going to pair some teas, holiday chai, Noël Paris. This is just an energy tea. Vitamins, I guess. Just thought that looked good. Refreshing. Chocolates. Who doesn't love chocolate? We have pastilles de citron, the little sour lemon drops. We have Walker's Mini Scotty Dog shortbread and Linzer cookies and gingerbread star. We have these little plates to put tea bags on. We have this nice mini foaming shea butter hand soap with really pretty packaging. I got this as a gift, this amazing tray. Isn't that just adorable? I love the color. Cute cupcake ornament. Frosted cranberry candle. It smells really delicious. I try to do practical fun gifts, comforting gifts, like nice cozy blankets, or makeup or jewelry, or self-care items. Look at this stuff called Smooth. Look at that. Like rainbow whipped cream soap. Hand sanitizers and stocking stuffers and fun things like that. I'll throw in some fun items. These were a favorite when we lived in Ireland, but not these flavors. Beef and onion, ugh. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but I collect ornaments. I love all different kinds of ornaments. I love the packaging. I just think they did things really nice. Back in the 50s, is something that was really cute. All these ornaments here from the 50s. These ornaments here, some of these are plastic, and these are from 60s, 70s. These are also plastic. I just think the images on them are so cute. Those remind me of little Hummels, the little lantern there. Then we have some deer, Santa. In this candy box, I have Victorian ornaments, and they're very, very small. They're very, very delicate. Heart. really tell the old ones. They usually have string, and the top is small, and you can tell that they're old. I like blown glass ornaments. This one's really pretty. It's one of my favorite blown glass ornaments. I like bells. How pretty. Ornaments from the 60s and 70s. You get a lot of homemade ornaments like this. Things that would be sold at a church bazaar. I'm always a sucker for any kind of bird ornament. The Grinch. It's another way. I see vintage candles, these smaller sizes. I buy them. I mean, is that packaging cute or what? Little glitter trees. I'm trying to film while it is dark. Got some presents there.